When will Kabbalah be restored to Earth?
It already has been. It sort of emerged as being clearly necessary around 1995, when the world as we know it ended, when the force of development, being the ego, stopped being useful or functional and started being completely destructive. And it's from 1995 on, the human heart, the whole creature, is looking for how to live in a completely interconnected, integral style, meaning that you have to love your friend as yourself, because your friend is yourself. That this need is being born across everything in nature, and we have to learn how to live in this integral state in a positive and sustainable way. So as of 1995 up until today, people naturally are looking for what Kabbalah naturally is. And the thing about Kabbalah is that it gives very direct connection to the law of nature without a lot of dressings on it and rituals and all of that stuff. It's just very directly teaches the heart.